What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Want to say thanks for all of these subscribers who've been around a while, all the new subscribers. Thanks, guys. The channel has been growing very nice the past couple of weeks. Appreciate it, guys. 4,523 current subs in the past. Looks like we've had the channel for about 3 years now. Appreciate it, guys. Hope you're enjoying the content. We're taking a look here at Aerodrome Finance this Saturday at 1 p.m., the 1st of June. Man, summer is quickly approaching here. Great weather here on the East Coast. Sunny, stunning day here. We're looking at the markets here. A little bit late on the video, but hey, we are here on Saturday. Aerodrome Finance, ticker symbol AERO, USD. This will be the US dollar. This will be a daily chart. Coinbase will be where the price data is coming from here. Upper left-hand side, Aerodrome Finance /USD, daily chart Coinbase. Well, it's not a huge up day, okay? It's also not a big red day. We're in the green. Hey, we'll take it, right? A little bit of green is better than a little bit of red. We've been in this descending channel here ever since we hit resistance at our 128 perfectly on the 27th of May. We've had 1, 2, 3, 4. Today will be the 5th down day here for Aerodrome in this descending channel here. We are still making new daily lows. So today is a new daily low from the 31st. The 31st was a new daily low from the 30th, and so on. So we're continuing to make new lows here, so we don't quite know where this will stop. We can take some guesses, but until we really see a higher low form on the day, you know, this descending wedge can continue on basically till the next support level is like $1.0642. So we'll see where it stops. The selling again isn't, you know, we're not selling off aggressively today, but we also are still making a new daily low. So at some point today, we sold off, took out yesterday's lows at $1.15,728, and today we have a low at $1.15,308. So not too much, but hey, the price doesn't lie. It's still a new daily low. We are stair-stepping to the upside. That is very nice to see. Let's highlight that for you guys. If you're new to the channel, welcome, guys. This is Aerodrome Finance. We've been tracking this for a while now. We are stair-stepping to the upside. Higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. So far, a higher low. Again, we don't know where that low will come in. If it's somewhere, you know, above the 108, it'll be a higher low. If it's lower than that, it'll be a lower low, and that will be not good, not what you want to see for the bulls. That could just mean we're going to be rolling over, putting in lower highs, lower lows, etc. We'll see. Let's go out in time a little bit here. Let's say the lows are in for the day. Let's say today is the low of this move, and we are going to print a higher low starting in tomorrow's session, June 2nd. Well, we're going to look for an upper price move here. One, we need to get above 128. We double topped here at 128. We have resistance again at that level. Resistance came in perfectly at that level back in here. This was the 3rd, 4th, and 5th of May. It's circled. That was the resistance at 128 after finding support in a beautiful fashion here, 85.20, big bounce. A couple days we moved. Let's see here. A couple days this market moved, you know, 50 to 60%. So for starters, let's say the low's in. We put a higher low in tomorrow, the 2nd. We need to get above 128. We need to close above 128. We need to stop hitting it and pushing back down. Until that happens, you know, there's no reason to think why price would go higher. So for starters, a break above, a close above the $1.28 level would be great. Next, I'm really looking for $1.33, $1.36. That's right here. It's not too much to ask for, but again, we're not going in the right direction right now. We're trending lower. We need to see the break above 128, $1.33, $1.36. Let's take a look here. So from the highs to the day we started to break out, That was 5 days. Let's look over here. That was 3 days, and we're currently in the 5th day. So we're close to where it's previously started to move higher, 3, 4, 5 days or so. We're on the 5th day. We'll see if Bitcoin gets hit today or not. Bitcoin's basically flat. It's up 0.19%. In my book, that's a flat Bitcoin of 100. When a $67,000 product's up 131 bucks, it's basically flat in my book, but it is up 0.19. So we're close to what the market's done previously in these little descending wedges. This will be the third one if it actually works. And again, 128, 133, 136 is where I'm looking for just for the next move. So it'll look something like this roughly, which would be very, very normal, very healthy action. We have a big breakout zone, guys, at 128. That could be a strong, here's the big arrow pointing to it. When the market gets up there, if it can get above it and it's ready, it could be a big, we could see a big green candle above that level. It's a very important level. It's held the market down 2 times now. Back over here 3 times in a row on the 3rd. I'm going to consider that 1 time, and then we have it on the 2nd time here on the 27th. So this area, 128, keep a close eye on it. As price approaches it, we could see an explosive move above it. That's what I'm hoping for, because that would really wake up all of the Aerodrome Finance holders who are in a daze right now because the market's, although it's been going higher, it's also been pulling back, going sideways, and it's been very quiet. But within that quiet time period, let's not forget from the higher low that we printed a couple weeks back, things up 33%. So, hey, sometimes boring is good here. The higher low came in on the 14th of May. So 128 is very important. Let's keep an eye on it. If anything, if you take anything away from this video, look for a break above 128 and a close above 128. It's very important. It could be a big move getting this thing back higher above that level that's been holding the price down. We're going to run into a little bit of resistance at 136.76. This whole area of old support was broken into resistance basically on the 27th of April. But again, it's had plenty of time to take a break, take a breather, build up its energy, consolidate, base out, call it what you will. Let's go, guys. Higher prices here for Aerodrome Finance. We don't know if today will be the low, though. Okay, so keep that in mind. It's pretty much my thoughts here. We don't know if today will be the low, and 128 is very important. We want to break above it. 133, 136, next target. Should happen pretty quick once we get a break above 128 once again here. And on the downside, if we continue to sell off today, taking out the lows over here would not be good. Those are 108, and then our next support, if those are taken out, 106.42. Let's drop over to Bitcoin. Once again, that was the Aerodrome Finance USD chart. Daily chart, Coinbase was where the price data was from there. Same thing here. We're basically consolidating here for Bitcoin. Pretty solid resistance at the 71,335, a level I've had on the chart for a while. We're turning 68,748 into resistance as well. Yesterday, another reversal off that price level. Today's a very quiet inside day on this Saturday, June 1st. We'll see what happens here. 64,375 below, 68,748 above. Once this thing breaks out, it should easily take us to 74,958, $74,958 Bitcoin. I remember when Bitcoin a couple years ago, 2019-ish, 20, which we hit a low of like 3,700 or something very close to that. This thing is at 67,638. Guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for joining the channel here and being part of the 4,500 subscribers. Appreciate it. If you are not yet a subscriber, join us here on the channel. Appreciate it. You guys have a great weekend. All links down below. It does help support the channel. This is not financial advice. Have a great day, guys.